When 12-year-old Maddie hatches a scheme for a secret sleepover with her two best friends, she wakes up to a nightmare. She is alone, left behind in a town that has been mysteriously evacuated and abandoned. With no one to rely on, no power, and no working phone lines or internet, Maddie slowly learns to survive on her own. Her only companions are a Rottweiler named George and all the books she can read. After a rough start, Maddie learns to trust her own ingenuity and invents clever ways to survive in a place that has been both deserted and forgotten. As the months pass, she escapes natural disasters, looters, and wild animals, but Maddie's biggest enemy is the crushing loneliness she faces every day.
Have you ever seen a single person going into that factory?
There must be people working there.
The only thing that comes out of that place is the candy. I'd give anything in the world just to go in that amazing factory.
Dear people of the world, I, Willy Wonka, have decided to allow 5 children to visit my factory.
5 golden tickets have been hidden underneath the wrapping paper of 5 ordinary Wonka bars.
Wouldn't it be something, Charlie, to open a bar of candy and find a golden ticket?
But I only get 1 bar a year.
Nothing's impossible.
You found Wonka's last golden ticket!
From director Tim Burton.
Please enter.
Who are you?
He's Willy Wonka.
I'm Violet Beauregard.
I don't care.
I don't like loop. I love the chocolate.
I can see that.
I'm Veruca Salt. Daddy, I want another pony.
You're my TV.
Die! Die! Die!
Okay. And you? Well, you're just lucky to be here, aren't you? Welcome to the factory.
Warner Brothers invites you to enter a whole new world. Unlike anything you've ever imagined.
It's beautiful.
Where dreams are your reality.
Look over there.
They're in Olympus.
Back off, you little freaks.
I do say that all seemed rather rehearsed.
You're really weird.
And Willy Wonka
Let's boogie.
is your guide.
Ooh.
This year, 5 lucky kids will follow in his footsteps.
I want a squirrel.
Don't touch that squirrel's nuts!
Why is everything here completely pointless?
But only one
Candy doesn't have to have a point. That's why it's candy.
will find his heart.
Hold on.
Johnny Depp, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Wow!
a refugee camp. It feels like all you ever do is wait. Wait for food, wait for water, wait for your life to start. My brother Hassan and I live in a refugee camp in Kenya, in Africa. We are here waiting for the war in Somalia to end so we can go back home, where our mom will be able to find us. In a place as crowded as this, it's easy to feel alone. But I have my brother, I have my school, and I have the community around me. I didn't choose to be a refugee, but I'm choosing to believe in a future for my family.